Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. We are on day 16. On day 16, we are going to do low impact, and the way we're going to do this workout, we'll be doing 30 seconds on, and then we rest 15 seconds, and then we move on to the next exercise. If it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss out on the future workouts as they pop up. And if you do enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up, because that will help the workout get seen by more people, and so it's helping me and helping others. So let's get right into our workout. So this is a way to get rid of so look forward and exaggerate the arm movement. All right, next one we are going to be touching down and then we clap overhead. All right, we clap here and we clap overhead. Okay, let's go. So notice there is knee flexion and hip flexion. It's not just bending forward, I'm also going down. There is vertical shift with the hip. Beautiful. Next one, we are bringing knee diagonally, knee to elbow. Stand upright, hold, look forward. Beautiful. Next one, we do side step, and we are also raising the arms. Low impact, guys. Low impact but high energy. Let's go. Yes. The shoulders are also working as well. The whole body. Beautiful. Now we are going to do leg curl and arm extension. Each time you're shifting the weight on the other leg. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to be going up, 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 diagonally, cross body. So it's standing mountain climb. Beautiful. Now we're going to march again. Alright, exaggerating the movement. Let's go. Beautiful. Next one, you come, put the weight on one knee, and then you're going to be doing power knee. You step forward, backward, then you bring knee. Beautiful. The other leg. Knee, bend the knee a little bit, and then you push the leg backward. Let's go. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to be touching diagonal. We stay on one side, so spread your legs a bit wider or shoulder width apart. Let's put one arm up and let it stay there. This is good. It's stretching the hamstring and the glutes. You keep your back as straight as possible, and also your leg. Okay, now we go to the right arm. Okay, let's get ready. So if you can touch the toes, you can also go to the knee like this. But if you can touch the toes, go as far as you can. Beautiful. So we are going to do leg curl and arm extension. Let's go. Shift the weight on the other leg. Beautiful. So now we bring, so it's the modification of high knees. We bring the knee as high as we can. Stand as upright as you can. Yes. Now 2 more rounds. Let's finish strong. Let's do the modified burpee. So kick out, again, clap overhead, kick out. Beautiful. Next one, let's do modified jumping jacks. Wow guys, thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Coach Remmy here, inspiring you to get fit and stay fit. See you in the next workout.